Hello folks, and welcome to another edition of Box Breaks. Today we've got two different boxes in for two different breaks. I think you can see that in the background. But we're going to start off with the break of Sage Squared. A very lovely product that promises dual autos, I believe, in every pack. So this is their 2010 edition of this product. And it is one dual autograph per pack. All cards are inserted, no redemptions whatsoever. On the front it has Sam Bradford. It appears on the back. The checklist, it does have some 09 draft picks in it. So without further ado, let's get in this thing. I've opened a few packs of this before, and I enjoyed it. This is the first time I have done a box. In a box there are, God knows, I don't even know how many packs, folks. Well, we'll soon find out, won't we? We'll give a count before we start busting. That's the way it looks when you open it. Let's get a quick count. If we just count one side, we'll know, I think. Maybe they've shifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 8 packs. So we're looking at 8 dual autos. That makes it a total of 16 autos. So here we go. Pack 1. It's in this red. Says 2 autographs per pack. That's a little bit deceiving because of the fact that they're both on the same card. But I'll forgive them. Our first base is C.J. Spiller and Ryan Matthews. Our second space is Mark Sanchez and Damian Williams. And our first auto out of the pack is somebody I have never heard of. Sayai Ajaruto and Dennis Pitna. Dual auto. A little disappointing out of pack 1, most definitely. I will say the autos are crisp and clean on this card. So it's and it also comes out of the Conference Rivals autograph set. So we got a Sam Bradford and the Donakang Su base. Sam Bradford, Marty Gilliard. Oh wow, 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 what a hit. Ndonakong Suh and Jahavid Best dual auto. Nice pull, extremely nice pull. Very, very happy with that one for sure. Wow. Both are excellent, excellent players. Base now of Colt McCoy and Jordan Shipley. Ryan Matthews and Sayai Aji, whatever his name is. Oh, a little bit disappointing here. Sean Canfield and Sammy Stroder. Sean Canfield, I do not believe, played a single game last year. He might have played a preseason. But even if we don't do don't get another huge one, that Jahavid Best and Ndonakong Suh was excellent. Okay, base of Sam Bradford and Jimmy Clausen. Colt McCoy and Earl Thomas. The dual auto is Ben Tate and Brian Cushing. Ben Tate's not that bad an auto. Not at all. So we're now halfway through this break. This break's going by really quickly. Josh Freeman, Gerald McCoy. Toby Gerhart and Chris Cook. And the dual auto is a college teammates, Patrick Turner and Damian Williams. Not too bad. Down to the final 3 packs. We got Mark Sanchez and Jahavid Best. I believe we already pulled one of that. Josh Freeman and Aurelius Ben. And I believe we pulled this a minute ago, believe it or not. We did. A second, Sean Canfield and Sammy Slaughter. A little disappointing there. Definitely a trade bait, if you can call it that. Sam Bradford, Jermaine Gresham, Jason Pierre-Paul and Carlton Mitchell. Ah, nice. C.J. Wilson and Cameron Sheffield, small school defensive ends. Not bad. Last pack, folks. This break has gone by extremely quickly. Sam Bradford and Gerald McCoy. Brandon Spikes and Aaron Hernandez. And the final auto, oh sweet, Earl Thomas and Colt McCoy, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so to recap, we got, like I just said, Earl Thomas, Colt McCoy, C.J. Wilson, Cameron Sheffield, 2 Sean Canfields and Sammy Slaughters, Patrick Turner and Damian Williams, Brian Cushing and Ben Tate, Ndamukong Suh and Jahavid Best, and Dennis Pitna and Sayai Ajaruto. So overall, I am very pleased with this break. The cards are very nice. The base cards, you know, it's going to be hard to build a complete set, for obvious reasons. But I may attempt it. But like I said, overall, these will be a great break. Look for scans on Beckett.com under my name, which is FastTalker24. And this is Bill Longsworth saying, keep on pulling.